Welcome to Spellbinders March 2026, a large die of the month, Classic Kicks. Let's look at the dies included in this kit. These dies create a shoe. Die cut pieces from various colors of cardstock to customize your shoe and assemble as shown. We can also add a skinny detail line to the sole of the shoe. This is something we didn't show in this example, but show later on. These dies create kitchen utensils and a sausage. Die cut pieces from colored cardstock and assemble as shown. These dies create a beer bottle. Die cut pieces from colored cardstock to customize your beer bottle and assemble using glue as shown. This die set also includes flowers, allowing you to use this set for feminine projects. This is a quick look at the flowers and leaves you can create using the pieces in this set. The idea is to tuck the pieces inside the shoe, like so. Let's make a card. Foil the background using white foil, and all clubs create March 2026 exclusive item, Edge Effects Better Press Plate on dark blue cardstock. Adhere to an A2 top folding card base. Foam mount the shoe and the grill utensils along with a beer bottle onto the background. Add a sentiment for the backyard boss created with our March 2026 clear stamp and coordinating die of the month. Finally, add a sausage onto your spatula and enjoy. Thank you for joining Spellbinders Clubs. Have fun creating!